In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Alligator indicator in expert option. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your account, on your chart down here at the bottom, just below the sell button, you can see there's like this icon which allows you to open up indicators. Click on that, and then over here under new, you'll be able to see Alligator indicator, okay? So you can just go ahead and click on that, and then here you can basically select the different things for jaws, teeth, and lips. So of course, you could go ahead and set your own custom amounts for periods and shifts, as well as the colors. So of course, you can change the color if you want to by just clicking on it. And then down here, you could of course read what alligator is in case you don't know. And then you can just click on the confirm button over here, and it's going to give you the alligator indicator. Okay, so as you can see here, it's visible on my chart right now. And there's like a dot down here, which means I'm currently using the alligator indicator. And then you can also click on here, go to edit, and if you want to remove it or customize it, you can do that here. So you could either remove it or click on this button here to actually customize it, okay? Now, that's pretty much how to use the alligator indicator in expert option. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.